Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you want to know how to make your power assist steps stay deployed, notice that those are deployed, they're not going back in, and the doors are shut. How do you do that? I'm going to show you how easy that is to do on these 2025 GMC Yukons. There's a couple of different ways you can do this, but the quickest way is to come right here. See that little area right there? That's what you're going to select, and you have power assist steps right here. And number one, they need to be set to on, obviously, but you can set them to deploy, which is what I've done right now. You make sure you can see that, and there's a little bit of a glare, or you can set them to stow. Now, there are some advantages to leaving them deployed. If you're in a parking lot where you could potentially have door dings, well, you can leave those deployed like that, and then that, depending on the height of the vehicle next to you, they're going to hit the steps before they're going to hit your doors. So that would be very nice and very useful. If there's a particular tutorial you would like to see me give you on these videos here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel on the Yukon, or anything else for that matter, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.